Hello everyone, Namaskar. Myself Dr. Ilahi Mujawar. Today we discuss on International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, that is the capital ICBN. What is this ICBN? Its words and their functions. We discuss here the rules for naming are framed by International Botanical Congress. In shortly, it is called as IBC. These rules, together from International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, that is called as ICBN. The type method is followed as a principle. Every plant has its name and identity in local language, useful for local plant and local community. Such names are changed as per region to region and language to language and state to state. So, many names are given for single plant. It becomes confusion to international community. So, the process of scientific naming is introduced, and this process is follows in the ICBN literature. These names are unchanged in all countries of the world. What are the important features of ICBN? As you concerning about the features, the International Code of Botanical Nomenclature is to be an important part in the study of angiosperm and the taxonomy. This code is conducted and divided into three parts, and these three parts are principles, rules and regulations, and recommendation. So you look at the first part, principle. There are 6 principles which cover the ICBN. Number 1, botanical nomenclature is independent of zoological nomenclature. That means it is separate one. Second most principle is the nomenclature of taxonomic group and its application is determined by means of nomenclature type. In shortly, it is called as a type method. This is most important, this type method, for the short notes in examination. We look at here this type method. Type method is an important principle of nomenclature and states that the application of names of the taxa, any taxa, a group of the plant, that is called as a taxa, of the rank, either family, genus, whatever, or below, it is determined by nomenclature type, a taxon of which the name is permanently attached. This is most important, student, whether as a correct name or synonym. The different terms which are used in the type methods, these are discussed as below. Number 1 is holotype. Holotype is nothing but the specimen used by the author or designated by him for the name. Second one is lectotype, the specimen selected as a substitute for holotype or original material. Number 3, neotype. It is the specimen selected to serve as nomenclature type of a taxon when all material on which taxon is based is lost or is missing. Paratype. It is a specimen cited with original description other than the holotype. Isotype. It is any one of them as a duplicate of holotype. Generally, plant specimens are collected in the field in the form of the four minimum members and specimens, and out of which these four specimens, one is selected as holotype and others are considered as isotype. And the last type is the syntype. It is one of the specimen used by the author when no holotype was designated. This is the most important part. The next one is the ICBN literature. We look at here the original material or the part or the specimen or any species which we have to be collected from the field or any other regions where you have to be searched out or expressed, or it is called as a holotype, and this holotype must be deposited in a permanent responsible institute and it is carefully conserved. As far as the Maharashtra has been concerned, a responsible institute is BSI Pune. BSI means Botanical Survey of India, which is in the Pune. So in that herbarium, such plants are specimens are deposited, and the last authority for the deposition of such specimens are BSI in Calcutta. So these are the main two principles. One is the independent nomenclature. Second one is the nomenclature types. Third one is the nomenclature of taxonomy group is based upon priority of publication. This is most important. Publication. The fourth one is each taxonomy group with a position and a rank can bear only a correct name, which is earliest and in accordance with the rules. Fifth one is scientific names of the plants are treated as Latin irrespective of their origin. Number 6, the rules of nomenclature are retrospective unless expressly limited. The next part, what we call here, so this is about the